Hello guys, welcome to Medycoding.com. So in this video, we are going to learn how to use Codify, the encoder tool by AAPC. So this is the interface of the Codify. So first, how to search ICD, okay? So you have to search the term of ICD that you want to search and click enter. Let's say pneumonia. So here the ICD came for pneumonia. If you have more specific detail, then click on plus symbol to expand and you will get your ICD. The most important things here is that you have to give your correct word for search. If it will be incorrect or not in the list, then it will not show. Like here I searched pneumonid, that is incorrect, so it is not showing result. Now, how to lead the CPT? So, search the term that you want. Suppose I want to search cystoscopy of bladder. So, enter bladder. Now, I have to go to endoscopy and then it will be my code. See, as you can see, this is more time taking as compared to 3M and Optum encoder. You can also search any CPT and ICD like you search on book. So click on code index and select any, let's say ICD 10 CM index to disease and injuries. So here as per your first letter of your ICD, you can click and get your ICD. So you can enter your ICD and CPT directly in search bar. Suppose I am searching CPT 45378 and press enter from keyboard. Now UCPT is sequence is showing same as CPT book. So by clicking CPT, you will get description of the procedure and the lay term. So the lay term is used by surgery coder to read how a particular procedure is performed and they match these things to their operative report. You also want to become surgery coder, then can fill the form or send a mail to given mail ID. Now let's move to our next topic. Now how to check CCI edit. So click on the coding tools, then CCI edit checker. Based on your policy like MCR for Medicare and MCD for Medicaid. So you can check the CCI edit for number of CPT. So this CCI edit is used to check whether two CPT can be built together or not. Now let's check CCI edit for some CPT like 45385 and 45378. Then after entering, click on check. So now you can see the red warning sign that indicates that you can't override two CPT. It means you have deleted one CPT and CPT that has red warning will be deleted here. If you are checking CCI edit, here you can also see the RVU value, that is relative value unit. If the CPT has more RVU, then the payment will be more for that particular CPT. Also here you can see the anesthesia core for this particular CPT and it is showing base unit for anesthesia. Also you can see the global days is showing here. Now take other scenario. If we are checking CPT edit for CPT 45385 along with 45380. So now you can see here the orange warning and it is telling that you can code both CPT but you need to add modifier 59 to the CPT where warning is showing. Also one more things, if no warning is showing neither orange or red, then you can code both CPT as there is no conflict between two CPT. Now click on coding tools, then click on NCCI policy manual. So NCCI policy manual is the guideline that is given by the CMS based on the series. So here you can click on download and read the manual that is applicable everywhere. Now how to check MUE, that means medically unlikely edits. It tells the number of times a particular CPT can be used in same encounter. So click on coding tool, select either MCR MUE or MCD MUE. Now suppose for CPT 20680 I want to check MUE unit. So enter CPT, then years and quarter, then click on calculate. So you can see MUE unit is 3. It means you can build the CPT 20680 up to 3 units in same day encounter by the same physician. You can also search any particular CPT and check other details directly like MUE. Suppose IAM, directly enter CPT 20680. Now here you can see medically unlikely edits. So by clicking here, you can also get all detail. Also, we can check the crosscode or crosswalk of the CPT with ICD mapping. Like here you can see here ICD 10 CMX. As I am clicking here, the ICD is showing. It means for my given CPT, I can map any of the given diagnosis based on my document. This information is helpful in verifying the medical necessity of surgery. Now, modifier. So, we can check for any particular CPT which modifier is applicable and which is not applicable. So, click on modifier here. So, here you can see if for any modifier description is written in yellow color, it means that is only applicable for ambulatory surgery center. If for any modifier description is written in blue color, it means that is applicable for both ambulatory surgery center and physician coding. Also, if it is gray color, it means that modifier is only applicable for physician or profi coding. Now, how to check global days for any particular CPT. So again, click on coding tools, then click on global days calculator. So you have to enter the correct date of the procedure performed. Then you have to enter the CPT code for which you want to check global days. Then click on search. So the global days for this CPT expire on this date based on the date of procedure, and it has 90 days global period. So in this way you can check the global days of any CPT. So this is the end of video. Now I'm expecting after this video you will be able to use Codify with all features. Thank you all and please subscribe the video. If I get more likes then we can create more video for other tools like 3M or Optum Encoder.